would say to policymakers, we are not invisible. Your decisions affect our lives deeply. Give us fair immigration law, legal protection, and the chance to live with dignity.
Public awareness and advocacy. As a domestic worker, I am not just help. I am a professional whose labor keeps homes running, child safe, and families cared for. I deserve respect, fair wages, and dignity because my work matters.
Domestic workers are not just helpers. We are human beings with rights, dignity, and dreams. We deserve fair treatments and recognition for the essential role we play in families and society.